Guys, welcome back to Tip Tuesday. My name is Matthew Turnkey with Stone Mill Log and Timber Homes. Thanks for joining us this week. The last 2 weeks we've talked about planning and design for building your log or timber frame home. This week we're going to talk about steps and some of the tips needed for getting ready for that construction project. What things do you need to complete? There's a lot of things to do, a lot of due diligence to do, but what things do you need to complete and have done before you're ready for that construction project? Well, the first thing is completing the plans. Get that design developed, at least get a conceptual drawing developed to where you have floor plans and elevations and section drawings and a foundation plan, subfloor plans, so that you can go out there and do the second item, which is turnkey estimating. Really important to know what this whole project is going to cost before you jump right into it. So turnkey estimating is typically done with a set of plans that has details and shows finishes and has a foundation plan and shows what you're going to be putting into the home. So that turnkey estimate gives you a good picture of what this total investment is going to look like, so that you have the ability to value engineer if you need to, or change some of the specifications or change the design. So once that estimating is done, the next thing you want to do is make sure you understand the full scope of the project. Make sure you know who's doing what in the project, who's responsible for what your responsibilities are, so that you don't leave anything hanging out in the wind during the project, and so that nothing gets dropped, the ball doesn't get dropped during the project. So understand the full scope. And then the last thing for today is to develop a construction schedule, a timeline that shows when things are going to get done, so that you know when things are supposed to happen and can keep a track of the progress of the project. So those are just 4 things that you can do before you are ready to get started. Obviously, going and talking to your lending institution and turning all that, the plans and the turnkey estimate into them, so that they can work on closing. There's many other things to do, and we'll talk about those more next week. But these are the 4 things for today that can help you get started on that construction project. So hopefully this has been helpful. Please join us again next week for more Tip Tuesday. Until then, as always, stay safe and healthy, and take care.